honestly, I may cut this into two videos since I like found all this cool shit. So if I do, I'll be putting this in the beginning, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you could give me a little subscription, like the video, or dislike the video if you didn't like the video, whatever. Alright, now honestly I might go somewhere and just take some pictures of the bike before I go home and start editing, because I need some content for the TikTok. Damn. Nice fucking turn signal, cunt. Yeah, now turn on your fucking turn signal. And I am not blaming I am not blaming it. I'm just saying. Should have used turn signal, I wouldn't have done it. I would not have done that. That was fucking terrible. Does not like the wind. There's a way to get on that side of the lake, but I don't know where to actually go to get on that side. I remember I went that way, but I didn't think that the road was down there, so I don't know.
Take
this is beautiful. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. Oh, wow. I didn't know we had this. Wow, look at that. That is huge. Holy shit. Oh, bro, I want to go up there and take some pictures on the bridge. I don't think I can now. That sucks. Do I do it? Fuck it. Fuck it. I just want to get a picture. That's all I wanted. That's all I wanted. I don't want to be a menace. I just wanted a cool picture for Instagram and TikTok. Now it's time to go back up. Here is the dam. Well, apparently this is the dam. Wow. That's where we were. Right down there. That is super, super far down. Holy shit. Imagine falling down that motherfucker. So beautiful. Let's see. Yeah, this is where a lot of people come to like look at fossils and things like that. Fossil collection by permitted only. Free permit available at visitor area. Very, very muddy. It's been raining a lot here lately. Whew. I just want to look at this. Creatures of the ancient sea. It'd be cool as shit if I could bring the bike back there. It'd be a nice place to get some pictures. Look at my girl. What a fucking purty bitch. Some beautiful houses out here, man. Still a little bit too close for my liking. I would like a place that's kind of secluded and quite a bit of acreage, because in reality the goal, if I ever get big enough on YouTube, is I want to get a really big plot of land, have a house on it, a garage, and that's pretty, and build a whole, like do a whole entire concrete slab that is super huge, and have events at it with all of you guys and some bigger YouTubers. Hopefully one day, like Misguided, Justin and Brian636, hopefully one day they'll be able to come out and we can have like a little stunt show for everybody. I think that'd be sick as fuck, but that's way into the future. And I think I'm going to do a little video kind of like what Chris Rudnick did. A couple days ago, he uploaded a video that was essentially what he wanted to do within 5 years, what his goals were, and what his goals were for his YouTube channel, his life, his job, things like that. And I think that'd be really cool for you guys. So if you guys would like to see a video like that, you can go ahead and let me know in the comments. So I went the wrong way, but I found this. Candlelight walk. Sugar Shack. Pioneer Village closes at dusk. Oh, okay. Actually, I think I have been here before. This place is really, really cool. I love the old buildings and things like that. I do believe most of these are still standing from, I want to say the 1800s, like late 1800s or something like that. I don't know much of my history or information like this, but it is cool to actually go through. They do tours and things like that, and you get to walk around. They have a couple different things, like I do believe they got where you can make your own candles and things like that with like all natural wax. It's a really, really cool thing to do with your family. I haven't been here in, I'd probably say every bit of 15 years. It's very, very beautiful down through here. Look at this stuff real quick. I don't want to go too far. Like the old architecture is like incredible. Toll House. Relocated to Village in 1981, originally constructed in 1850. So I was right, around the 1800s. Really, really cool. If you guys want to read that, pause the video and read that. In reality, I should look up a lot of this stuff and then go on rides, come out here and talk to you guys kind of how Brian does with all the history in Chicago. But yeah, I figured I'd show you guys this because I did turn down the wrong road. Guys, I think this might be the end of the video. I'm heading back to the house now. So if y'all haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see y'all in the next one. Later. Before I go, again, don't forget to subscribe.